Hey guys, we are here at the New Mexico Expedition Rigs+Coffee. We got live music, we got Alex, Tay, everybody from New Mexico Expedition is here, and we're gonna walk around and show you some rigs.
Hi, my name is Alex. I'm here with the New Mexico Expedition, and this is my 2013 JK Unlimited, aka New Mexico Off-Grid. So this has been converted into what I call an RVTO. So it's a baby RV. I have a kitchen in the back, so with the cooking service, the refrigerator, the bedroom inside, so with a rear seat delete kit. So it has a Terraflex rack on it, and the whole thing is sitting on a 2.5-inch Mopar lift on 37-inch tires. So it's got AEV snorkel, AEV wheels, a lot of trail badges from the Jeep Badge of Honor system. It's taken me everywhere, and I look forward to the next expeditions with New Mexico Expedition.
Land Rover Defender 110, 1983. She's from Spain. Just got her last year from a guy in Tennessee. She's got the 200 TDI, a little underpowered. To spruce her up, hopefully in the next year or two we'll get her to a point to where she's really doing something nice.
This is my Jeep 2007 two-door Jeep JK Rubicon. It's got my camper up top, mini. It's got a slide-out bamboo table. Keep it pumped up, and you fill your pots there. I call it the pot filler. I keep it modular. Take everything out during the day. 270 awning from Rhino Rack and 23.0 privacy room. And that's my baby. She takes me just about anywhere. No trailers, self-sufficient. There's solar on the hood if you didn't notice, and a battery hidden in the drawers we were just looking at. So it's pretty fun. It's my baby.
And then I have the 2022 F250 trimmer model. I got the SPL LEDs on it. I got the Electric Design rack with the 23.0 tank. I got my kitchen stuff here, including my Jetboil Genesis. And then I got chairs, medical kit, shovel, axe, and this one. I got the fence tracking on it right there.
Hello, I'm Joe Myers. I'm fairly new to Expedition New Mexico, or New Mexico Expedition. This is my 2022 Goonie Stomper. I installed the table myself. I had this additional tire put on, spare tire. That's a additional factory. This is my 97 TJ Stomper. Has a metamorphosis from a rock crawler to an overlander. This is my truck here. I use it to tow my Jeep's not too good on extreme long distance overlanding trips, so they call me a trailer queen. But oh well, I'll live with it. So,
Looks good. Looks good. Hey, New Mexico Expedition crew, make sure you smash that like button, and if you want to come on a future event, please visit NEWMEXICO-EXPEDITION.com. New Mexico Expedition has a few events coming up, so make sure you check out our website, register, and I'll see you on the trail.